Hey y'all, I just wanted to touch base with you about the promotion that the Milliners have going on, where if we as a group sponsor 16 people from July, the accounting period of July, through August 9th, that we are going to do a drawing for everyone who's sponsored in that time frame for a Kindle Fire and $100 cash. Okay, and so it's why we're offering this is because we have this awesome promotion going on right now through July. And I made that video yesterday about the promotion to send out to your prospects. And I am touching base with everyone that I can with that video and following up with them. The most important thing you can do in your business right now is to follow up and sponsor in this last week of this promotion. This promotion is so amazing. Do not let it pass you by, okay? And the awesome part is that they get to, they can add on from their awesome fall line, okay? So that if they do the $395 and get the $400 retail and free jewelry, they get to pick from the fall line, which is so awesome. And I just had my first jewelry show with the new line, and the ladies are going crazy over it. So take advantage of these two things that can really help you play on that promotion and to share the business with ladies. So do not neglect your time in the next week to just share and to utilize that sponsoring promotion. And also, okay, it's going to help you get a move on your sponsoring for the year from rally to rally. It's going to help those promote to the next level. It's going to help you for that Canada trip to get points for it. It's going to help you start earning your awards for Amethyst, all the crown jewels, and so many awesome things. And also Designer Circle for those of you who are already designers. So get out there and follow up with those prospects. Y'all, get excited about this promotion. It is so pertinent that you utilize this last week of this promotion, okay? So I'm doing just that, and I have a goal to sponsor. I would love to sponsor 2 more girls this month on that promotion. So I am following up. So please take advantage of that. And who is on fire? The Premier Pearls are on fire, and I'm so excited to show Premier that we are ready to do this, that we as a team are representing and growing. And so I'm so excited for you guys to just get out there and share this promotion. And I am on your team, and I am excited to help you. And I've said excited like 20 times. So go do it, and I look forward to talking to you and hearing about your successes and drawing for a Kindle Fire and $100 in cash. Okay?